Multiple countries have already taken the step forward to the system that resembles with the mark of the beast, but there will be some people that will say no to the beast system. And Jesus already told us about those people. Folks, this is not some conspiracy theory or fiction. It's biblical prophecy unfolding before our eyes. Revelation 13 clearly speaks of a system that will rise in the last days, a system that will require every person, small and great, rich and poor, free and slave, to receive a mark without which they cannot buy or sell. And today, as we look around, multiple countries have already moved closer to that very system. Whether it's digital ID mandates, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, or biometric scanning tied to financial access, the infrastructure is being built. This is not just advancement in technology, it's the scaffolding of control, the conditioning of the masses to obey without questioning. But hear this clearly, Jesus already knew all of this. None of this surprises him, and he spoke of those who would resist, those who would not bow down to the beast, nor receive its mark. Revelation 14:12 speaks of the patience of the saints, those who keep the commandments of God and hold fast the faith of Jesus. These are the ones who will stand strong in the face of global pressure. They are the remnant, and they exist even now. Yes, the system is rising, but so is a people who will not compromise. There will be voices that say no to the beast, even if it costs them their careers, their comforts, or even their lives. These people have already counted the cost. They are not attached to the world because their eyes are fixed on eternity. And friend, if you're listening to this and you feel something stirring inside you, maybe God is calling you to be one of them. It won't be easy. The pressure will be immense. There will be ridicule, censorship, and persecution. But remember what Jesus said in Matthew 10:22. You will be hated by everyone because of me, but the one who stands firm to the end will be saved. There is a reward for those who remain faithful, and that reward is not of this world. It's eternal life with Christ in glory. Don't be deceived by convenience. Don't sell your soul for temporary access, digital wallets, or a false sense of safety. When the system asks you to compromise your faith in the name of unity, peace, or progress, will you bow? Or will you be one of those whom Jesus foresaw, faithful, unmoved, and standing firm? Because the time is now. The world is being prepped for a choice, and every soul will have to decide, serve the beast or follow the Lamb. Choose wisely. God bless you.